P ratio of 256, very overpriced. Forward P of 219. And keep in mind, Tesla's been around for a long time. It's not like they started 2 years ago. They started a long time ago. And so have their peers like Google Alphabet, Amazon. Both of those companies have robotaxi businesses as well. And when you look at the PE ratio of Google, it's 26 or so, and Amazon's in the 30s, maybe 35. Both of those companies have robotaxi businesses. Also, Amazon has completed the deployment of more than 1 million robots in their facilities. And I believe they're going to, at some point, be able to offer their customers or corporate clients the ability to buy robots that would work inside of a warehouse environment or a production environment. So Tesla is not alone with the ideas it has. Robotaxi, you got competitors, very well funded, very well run, very intelligent competitors. Robots, lots of competitors, including Amazon. You have Chinese manufacturers. You have plenty of competition. So it's not like they're going to have a market to themselves of pure organic growth. I think they're going to be challenged by some very, very strong competitors. When we look at their margins, their growth doesn't exist right now, by the way. They're not growing this year. And the CEO has told us we're not going to grow for a while. We're going to have some ugly quarters coming up. Cash flows are low in proportion to their revenue size. Look at these gross margins. Terrible, terrible gross margins, especially when you compare Tesla to its peers. Its peers being companies that are above 1 trillion in market cap. This is the worst gross margin company in that peer group. Profit margins is 6%. You can do 6% buying bonds. that's just mediocre at best. Yet a lot of investors believe in Tesla. And I'm not going to convince anybody to change their mind about Tesla. If you think they're the greatest company, you're going to continue to think they're the greatest company. Some people don't think it's the greatest company. And an analyst here thinks they're a $19 stock, yet their stock's at $4.23. So there are people that just don't get why the story is that valuable when the actual evidence on their financial statements, the actual fundamental evaluation shows that the stock price should be priced far lower. So that's one thing to ponder. And when we look at their growth, they're expecting to grow some here. I think that forecast is a little too optimistic because Tesla, especially on the car side, they've got competition in a lot of places. There's at least 20 companies that have an EV model. That's quite impressive. When it comes to robotaxi, you have small startups like Nuro. You have big companies like Google Alphabet and Amazon Zoox that they're going to have to compete against. So it's not going to be a clear road of growth for them. I think they're going to struggle to grow.